Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit the stream info on Twitch. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. A catchy stream title is an easy way to attract new viewer to your Twitch stream. A name that authentically explains your content is likely to capture the attention of those browsing through the channel. So, what if you want to change or edit your info on your stream? It's so simple. So, first, of course, we have to open our Twitch. Now, you can just tap on the plus icon in here. There is an option Creator Dashboard. You can just tap on that. And you'll find there is an option Edit Stream Info. You can just tap on that. So in here, you can enter the title of your stream. For example, like this. And like this, your go live notification. Well, like this for example. And you can also add the category. Maybe this game. You can enter your tag too. Like this one, and also this one. You can tap on down. After that, you can add the content classification. Like if your content is publicities and sensitive social issues, you can just checklist on here. Tap on done. You can choose your stream language, and after that, you can also add the description, the stream makers. After that, you can just tap on save. Like this. Okay, you need to enter at least 3 tags. Now you can just tap on save. So whenever you start stream on your Twitch, the info will be appear like this. So simple, right? So that is how to edit your stream info on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.